Becoming combat ready in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, combat ready. What does it mean, and how can you use it in a sentence? Let's gear up and find out. The term, combat ready, originates from a military context, where it describes soldiers or equipment that are fully prepared and equipped to engage in combat immediately. In everyday language, it's often used metaphorically to express that someone is fully prepared and equipped for any challenge or task at hand. To truly understand how combat ready is used, let's look at some examples. The firefighters were combat ready as soon as the alarm sounded. Before the big game, the team felt combat ready after weeks of intense training. You can use combat ready to describe your state of readiness for challenges. I studied all night for the test. I'm combat ready now. Make sure your presentation is combat ready before the meeting. I hope this exploration of combat ready has armed you with a new phrase to use in your English conversations. Remember, being combat ready in language learning means being prepared for all the nuances and idioms that come your way. Until next time, keep practicing, and you'll be language battle ready in no time.